Day 18. Here it is. Let's see what we have. It's been quite a variety to play with. Okay. I'm not certain. Let me stamp it and see. I don't know. It looks like it could be a monster. Oh, it's a bunny. It's a bunny. There it is. All right, I'm going to grab my supplies. Okay, when I thought Easter, I thought checks, dots, stripes. I have this. It's called Dots and Stripes, but it's all dots. It's not the stripes. So I've taken this piece and I've cut it at an angle. I took an old embossing folder and I've embossed the flower swirl on there. I have a piece of white to stamp my image and my sentiment on, my card base. I'm going to color my image in with, I'm going to try anyway, it's really tiny, we'll see, with some purple and a light teal. I have the sentiment is, may all your chocolate be solid. My little Easter bunny. I got an oval punch this time. I also received these as a free gift. They're sprinkles. I'm going to use those instead of rhinestones and everything. And I have a brown and a teal. So first thing I need to do is to stamp my image. And I'm going to use the brown. All right. Okay, and he has a wreath of flowers on his head. That's what I pulled this in for. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll find out. If not, I'll be stamping it in brown. Like there's a little flower there. And there's one here. All right, let's add some teal in there. Not bad. All right, let's punch him out. And I'm gonna put him close to the bottom. I'm gonna try something. Now I want to stamp my sentiment. And I have a, okay. I got to stamp it this way. I think anyway. We'll find out. I'm playing with an idea again. Yes, it works. I'm going to pull it down some. All right. Let me close this up. Let's see. I'm going to let those sit there as I get this put together. Now, this is going to go on the bottom of this. And I'm not leaving a border. I'm putting it on right even with the bottom. Like so. All right. Now I'm going to fold my card. Grab my bone folder here. All right. This I'm going to put on, and I don't usually use my tape runner when something's embossed, but there is enough there that it will stick and hold. And I cut this smaller than the 4 by 5 1/4. All right. I'm thinking this is going to go here. This is going to go here. I might go that way. But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add some ink to the edges just to give it some interest. And I'm going to do it this way. Ooh, I just stuck my finger in there. Hang on. All right. There. See, I've got just a little bit of a border. I did it again. Okay, there. Just enough to make it give it some interest. All right, I'm going to go grab some bigger foam adhesives because I'll be here all day with the small ones. All right, and these are 2 millimeters. So they're still kind of small, thin. All right. Now, I'm going to take this off. Oh, all right. I was going to change this. I was going to stack them, but I think I'm going to go cattywampus. Okay, like this. Oh, that one's not even, paper's not off. Okay, there. Now let's get some dots out of here and sprinkle them on. Let's see. See, I'm thinking this color because it matches. I don't know if there's any purple in here or not. Oh, there is some purple. I'm just going to pull out a bunch and go from there. All right, now I'm going to put these on here, and then I can put them back in here. So easy. I don't know how many I'm going to use, so I'm not going to close it yet. Now these I'm going to put on with the glue dot. So let me grab my glue dots here. Oh, you know what? I can't. They're too big. So let me decide where I'm going to put it, and I'll use some glue. All right. There. I'm doing this backwards. I'm right-handed. Let me try this. And let's put a couple of purple ones down here. All right, come on. There it is. I was going to say it's not coming out. This is not the same color purple, but that's okay. I think it'll work. All right. Let me put my pin in. Pick these two up before I knock everything over and it goes flying. There's day 18. Almost finished. Bye.